Hey everybody, this is Robert with PatternCut.com coming to you from my own home with an exclusive announcement. Over the past 18 years, we've been very fortunate to provide a decorative laser cut wood vent grill to our customer base, as well as cabinet panels, door panels, wall panels, and more. Well, today I'm here to announce that we will soon be offering decorative laser cut wood grill covers for your exhaust fans. I'm sure many of you have these exhaust fan covers in your bathrooms or in the laundry rooms, but we will now be providing a much nicer looking application as opposed to these plastic ones that many of you may have in your own home. So over the years, 18 years of being in business, I've had many customers request some type of a decorative grill cover that, similar to this one, of course, that can be used to cover up, or I should say replace, the plastic covers that come with exhaust fans, making it look a little bit more decorative. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to install our new decorative application for these exhaust fans. So the first thing we did was we created these laser cut frames, and we recessed some steel discs in the frame for you, as well as provided some countersunk screw holes all around the frame, as you could see there. I went ahead and painted mine black just to, make it hide, let it hide a little bit when it's up installed around the duct opening. But we'll be sending these to you in Baltic birch ply, ready for you to paint. Now that you have your exhaust fan cover removed, you could go ahead and measure that duct opening. Okay, so now after you've given us a call, and provided us the measurement of your exhaust fan opening, this is the frame that we would then be sending you. As you can see, the frame is just simply installed by screwing 8 flathead drywall screws measuring about 1.5 inches to 1.5 inches. The frame will come with recessed steel discs that are riveted into the frame, and now you're just ready for the grill cover after you've painted it either the color of the ceiling or the color of your wall. But this frame is ready to accept the grill cover. So now that we have our decorative laser cut wood grill, I went ahead and painted mine the same color as the ceiling. So now it's ready to just simply snap right into place. It's got the steel discs on the frame and the magnets on the grill, and that's it. That's a new decorative laser cut exhaust fan vent. Here's another look at it from another angle. But that's it. That's how simple it is to install our new decorative laser cut exhaust fan vent covers, manufactured only by PatternCut.com.